Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, paghihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about the slope of a line. Yung objective natin dito is illustrate and finds the slope of the line given 2 points, equation, and graph. Write the linear equation. Okay? Ano ba yan? So, definition of linear equation. Any equation that can be put into the form ax plus by minus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are integers and a and b are not both 0. It's called linear equation in two variables. The graph will be a straight line. Okay. Another one, the form ax plus by minus c is equal to 0 is called standard form. Integer coefficient all on one side is equal to 0. Another equation, another definition of linear equation. The equation of a line describes all of the points on the line. Okay. Next, the equation is the rule for any ordered pair on the line. Okay, so let's proceed to slope. So, yan. So, sabihin yan, slope describes the direction of the line. So, yan ang mga example ng mga slope. Okay, so what is a slope? Or if x sub 1 is not equal to x sub 2, the slope of the line through the distinct point p sub 1, p meaning yung point niya or first point, so that is x sub 1 and y sub 1, and p sub 2 yung second point, x sub 2 is x sub 2 and y sub 2 is slope. Slope meaning that is equal to rise over run. So equals change in y yung rise, ibig sabihin yan yung pwede tayong mag going up, i-positive yung rise, then going down pag negative. Then yung run, that is change in x. Okay? Then going sa right, that is positive. Going sa left, that is negative. Then that is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So why is this needed? Okay, yung x sub 1 is not equal to x sub 2. Okay? Yan, kailangan yan. Bakit? Para to guard against 0 in the denominator. Kasi pag 0 yung denominator, that is undefined. Okay, so find the slope between negative 3 and 6. Tapos yung second point is 5 and 2. Yung x is 5, y is 2. So, locate natin yung negative 3 at saka 6. X is negative 3. Ito yung negative 3, di ba? Then, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Then, y is 6. Another point, yung second point natin, 5 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos 2. 1, 2. Ayan, dyan. Okay? So, i-connect natin yung point. Ngayon, yung slope natin, so, this is going down, pababa. Hanap ilang units yan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pababa, then, pa-right naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayan. 4 units going down, then 8 units going sa left, kasi positive. So, yung slope natin dyan ay rise over 1 equals negative 4 over 8. Or, pwede natin i-reduce yan to lowest term, that is equal to negative 1 over 2. Next, calculate the slope between x is negative 3, y is 6, and 5 and 2. Or x is 5, y is 2. So, the slope, that is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ito yung formula ng slope. Then, ano natin yan, we use the letter M to represent the slope. Okay? So, x sub 1, kunin natin yung value ng x sub 1, that is negative 3. Okay, yung y sub 1 is positive 6. X sub 2, that is 5. Yung y sub 2 is 2. Okay, so i-substitute natin yung value. Yung y sub 2 natin is 2. Ito, y sub 2. Ito yung y sub 2. Ito yung x sub 2. Diba? Ito yung x sub 1. Ito yung y sub 1. So, substitute. So, that is 2 minus 6 over 5 minus the quantity of negative 3. So, yung result, that is negative 4 and negative 4 over 8. Yun ang solution niya kanina. Or, reduce the lowest term, that is negative 1 over 2. So, find the slope. Okay? So, i-compute natin yan, yung yellow, blue, at saka yung red. Okay? Pwede nyo i-solve sa bahay nyo yan or sa notebook nyo yan. Okay? Yung blue, y sub 2, yung formula. So, yung yellow, yung y sub 2 is 2 minus 9. Yung y sub 1, then over x sub 2, that is 11, minus x sub 1 na 3. So, yung slope is negative 7 over 8. Another one, yung slope 2, yan, yung solution natin, that is equal to 2/3. Next is yung slope number 3 natin, that is negative 2 minus 9. Okay, yung y sub 2 is ito. Okay. Next, yung solution is, yung slope is negative 3 over 2. Negative 11 over 2. Asan ba yung ano ko? You find the slope between 5 and 4, or x is 5, y is 4, and 5, or x is 5, y is 2. Okay, yung formula, we will use the formula. So, x sub 1, i-ano natin yan, yung mga values ng x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 2. Substitute natin yan. So, y sub 2 is, yung y sub 2, y sub 1, ay x sub 2. Sorry. Ito yung x sub 1, ito yung y sub 1. Okay? Substitute. So, yung slope dyan ay negative 2 over 0. So, kapag 0 yung denominator, stop ka na kasi yung slope natin is undefined. Next, find the slope between x is negative 5, y is 4, and 5 is 2. 5 and 2. Okay, locate natin yung point. Yan. So, pag connect natin yan, yung line natin is vertical line. So, kapag vertical line, that is undefined. Yung rise over run natin, yung rise natin is negative 2, yung run natin is 0. So, that is undefined. Next, find the slope between x is 5, y is 4, and x is negative 3, y is positive 4. So, using the formula, okay, yung values ng x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, o y sub tan. So, yung slope natin, substitute natin yung given value. Okay? So, the result is, yung rise natin is 0, yung run natin is negative 8. So, kapag 0 yung slope, kasi pag i-divide natin yan, 0 divided by negative 8, that is 0. So, yung 0 yung slope, that is undefined pa rin yan. So, find the slope between 5 and 4 and negative 3 and 4. So, yan. Connect yung same, locate natin yung mga points, then connect natin yung line. So, that is horizontal line. Okay? So, kapag horizontal line, undefined pa rin ito. Rise over run, that is equal to 0 over negative 8. So, 0. From this result, we can see that the slope of a vertical line is undefined. And the slope of horizontal line is 0. Okay? So, next topic na yung slope of the line. So, maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Thank you and God bless.